Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's super great having you guys here today, and it's really great doing another video for you today. So today, guys, I have a video to share with you. It's basically a video just showing you some update on my ZBD account. So yes, guys. So basically, I've been start using ZBD about 2 or 3 weeks now, not even a month. Good, so less than a month rather. So I just want to share with you guys basically how I've been earning and basically just give you an estimate of how much Satoshi I basically cash out in a day. So before I get into the video, I just want to say thank you guys for liking, sharing, and subscribing. And also, if you find my content valuable, go ahead and give me that thumbs up. And also, if you're new to my channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button. So what we're going to do, we're going to go on my activity. So if you guys are interested in earning basically how I basically earn on the money making app, I have other videos on my channel where I share with you guys all I basically earn with the ZBD app. So you can earn Satoshis for free just by creating an account and downloading games. So I won't be going over the app today. Today I'll just be reviewing my transaction. Basically, all I've been earning, all my earnings coming in on the platform. So yes, guys. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna start at the bottom so you guys have an idea of how many days I've been using this app. So I've been using this app for 21 days, as you guys can see there. So it basically says 9 months ago, right? But I made the account and I didn't use it. And then afterwards, I just start using the app. I realized that I made the app that I was going to earn Satoshis, and I forget all about it. And then I decided that okay, let's start, and then I start. So 21 days ago, and that's when I start earning Satoshis, right? So as you guys can see, basically earned like every day. So on some days you can see I'm earning 15 stats, 6 stats, uh, an average, and then some days I basically earn just 6. So an average that day would just be 6 stats. So you can see 13 days ago I got paid out around what, 3 4 times. 12 days ago I got paid out 1 time. 11 days ago I got paid out around, like, this is a lot. I got paid out around 11 times, like in one day, right? So on the 10th day, I got paid out uh, 3 times. Yeah, so that was 73 stats on the 10th day, 10 days ago, and 20, and then 10 the day also, I got 8 stats, the last cash out. And the ninth day, basically, I got 22 stats. So this is basically how I've been earning Satoshis, right? And non-stop I try to earn cash out at least once a day or multiple times per day. You can see here I basically cash out just here I did a cash out 8 days ago, and I basically cash out 1 stats. So what happened why I cash out 1 stats? Sometimes I tell myself like, okay, I'm gonna go on the app and then I'm gonna play some games and earn some stats. And sometimes when I go on the platform, I just feel so tired. I just play one game and I just like, I'm not, I just cash out. Because what happened with ZBD, whenever you're using the platform and you earn, you earn your earnings, you can reach to a point when you're ready to cash out, there will be no stats on the app. So what happened is when they don't have any stashes there, you have to wait until they tap up. So normally what I do once I earn on the app and I'm gonna exit the app, I just cash out. And sometimes even then there's like, oh, there's no stats, so I have to wait until the next 24 hours until they basically have more stats. So yeah, so this is how I've been earning, just watching videos, playing games, answering quizzes, and all of that. Once I see a way or I can earn stats, I basically jump to the opportunity and just earn and cash out. So yes, guys. So 3 days ago, I earn 5 stats, 1 stats, 15 stats, and 6 stats. 2 days ago, can see right there I've been earning, and you guys can see I've been earning and different game. But what happened, I explained to you guys before on the other on another video. So basically, I wanted to share with you guys how I play the games, right? But what the ZBD, I don't know what's their basically their criteria or their privacy thing. But whenever I try to record my screen while playing the app basically stops the recording, so I cannot record. Just like uh PayPal, right? Whenever I'm in my account and PayPal, they basically blank the recording. You cannot record the screen. But for ZBD, they actually disconnect the the app that I used to screen record. So today is basically the 7th, and you guys can see I basically cash out 8 minutes ago, 18 rather minutes ago, 15 stats, and also 19 minutes ago, 2 stats, right? So this is basically how I've been earning, guys, every day, nonstop, once I decided to start earning. And that's basically all I got to 878 stats. Basically, on the wallet of Satoshis, I start earning on the same time. I think on the wallet of Satoshis, I started a month ago. This is basically like 3 weeks ago, and I basically just reached 1,000 something stats on my wallet of Satoshis. So now my goal is to reach 1,000 stats over on my ZBD account. And once I do this, then I'm gonna start doubling. So my reward for here is to earn 1,000 Satoshis. Once I earn 1,000, now I have to earn 3,000. I have to double that. Once I earn 3,000, I have to earn 9,000. So whatever is on the platform, my goal, I have to double my goal in order for me to say yes. So that's my next goal. So once I complete something, I basically set another goal for myself when earning. So that's what I do. So yes, guys, and I think that's just another way of keeping me motivated in earning, and also just earning a little bit on the side with get paid to side and money making apps. Once you do something, you get rewarded. You have to now set, don't have to, but basically that's what I do. I basically set another goal to earn double what I have in my portfolio. So that's it. So guys, basically, I can remember a time when I was earning a lot of Satoshis. I told you guys this in another video before, but that was on the Bling financial money making apps. Daily, I was earning like on a weekly basic when I cash out my Satoshis. I was earning like 75, 76 cents in Satoshis in US. And that is when Bitcoin was around like 20 something thousand, you right? 26,000, 23,000. Uh, but I also mentioned to you guys back then I was just earning Satoshis because I was just earning Satoshis, right? Because I said this before, when I started investing in cryptocurrency, I learned about cryptocurrency by just trading, right? So my main goal was to earn Satoshis, cash it out and a platform to tether so I could trade. That's what I was doing. So I was always selling back my Satoshis to buy tether to trade, and I was earning some of my trades, but I was also getting liquidated, which in way that wasn't my investment strategy. That wasn't me as an investor. Me as an investor is a person who buy and hold. That's me. I don't, it doesn't matter to me where the market is going up or down. I just buy and hold. And when I want something, I just cash out the money and buy it. And if change leave, like, okay, let's say something is around $50 and I cash out maybe $100. And then when I go there, maybe it has raised to about $70 or maybe $60. The change that I use, maybe I have a $30 leave over, I put it back. I don't just okay, because I sold $100, I'm gonna use the whole $100. I just buy what I want and then I just put back the earnings inside the investment. So yes, guys, just want to say to you guys that when it comes to earnings to socials daily, that was a decision that I made. In previous videos, I also told you guys that when I just started earning online, I told myself that I want to make a dollar a day when it comes to money making apps, right? So what happened is I was earning um I start earning $1 a day, and then I start earning $2 a day. Then it just skyrocketed, right? So you have to have like a goal, and once you reach that goal, then you have to set another goal. If not, maybe you'll get just feeling like down, unmotivated, or stuff like that. So that's basically what I do, guys, and this is how I've been earning Satoshis. I hope you guys have been earning and learning too as well. So if you know yourself, just want to say this: if you know yourself, right, and you know that you're not a trader, you don't have to trade, because that's what's me. I wasn't a trader, but I was just forcing myself to trade. And then when I realized that, you know what, I don't have to trade, and the way how I realize that I don't have to trade is by learning constantly. So, like for example, you're watching a YouTube channel, right? And this person is saying, "Oh, you must buy this or you must buy that, you must trade, whatever." The more people you listen to or trying to learn from, is the more different perspective you get, and the more you get to be like just confident with the kind of person that you are, because sometimes you're not a trade I'm not a trader, but because everyone was just saying, oh, buy and trade when the or buy when the market's don't sell. So I was thinking, if I don't do that, I'm not like basically doing anything in the market, right? So they give me a concept that if I wasn't busy in the market, I wasn't earning anything, which in way that isn't true. The less busy I am in the market, is the more I personally see my portfolio grow, right? So yes, guys. So that's the thing. The more I just autopilot or just leave things to run, it's the more my portfolio grows. When I first started, I was just like looking at charts, doing this, that. I was taking my earnings from this asset, put it into this wallet. This it was just too much. So just wanna give you guys an update and that. Also, another update I want to give you guys is on my Coinbase account. So what happened is that on Coinbase, they're basically asking, I did a video sharing this with you guys. They're basically asking for your identity, my identity. But I have a lot of money making apps which I basically just have already signed up with my my identity. So what I did, I sold my earnings that I have on Coinbase and unstake some of my earnings and basically just move, right? So you can see I'm gonna give it a week so you guys can see. So yeah, so what I basically did, they were asking for my like my ID card. I didn't want to give my ID card, right? I did give my ID card when I opened the account, but now they wanted to upgrade. I don't have that ID anymore because at that time I used my driver's license. Now my driver's license is basically up because of the pandemic. I just forget and it got up. So I didn't want to use another identity. I didn't want to use my passport or anything like that. So I decided to just take my earnings out. So when you see these big selling, that's those big drops, those are not drops. That's just me basically converting my earnings from here to another investment portfolio that I do have. So what happened is when I signed up with Coinbase, it was really early on in uh 2021, right? So they basically were giving like sign up bonuses, they were giving like quizzes, they're still giving quizzes and ways how you can earn. So from I made this account, I haven't put any money in this account. I've just been earning with the money that they gave me and I've been cashed out multiple times. I'm gonna show you guys. Like you can see the big drop, right? So that's just it. I just really store the money that they gave me, and that is the reason why I was able to reach a peak of 100 and something, or 143 Canadian dollars. And I didn't, and this is when I cashed out before, because right here, you guys can see I cashed out right here. I did do a cash out right here, and I also did do a cash out right here. And then I grow back the earnings that I have leave over time, right? And then I did a cash out here, and then I did a cash out here, but it looks smaller now, right? And then this big one, I basically just wipe all my earnings out so and send it to another investment portfolio. Just want to share that with you guys. So if you guys just be mindful of that. If you don't go ahead and basically update your information, they will basically restricted you from your earnings. And I didn't want that. I didn't want to have my earnings, even though I have this $9 a year, and I'm thinking that I'm gonna basically just stake it and leave it over time, just let it grow. So yes, guys. So basically what I want to say to you guys is thank you so much guys for watching my channel. Thank you so much for the support, for subscribing. I hope you guys find value. If there's any question, you can comment down below and ask. I hope you guys have been learning and earning. And remember, guys, if it's even to earn a little Satoshis a day, on the ZBD app, they're basically giving you 15, like basically 10 to 25 Satoshis just to answer quiz daily. Time is gonna come when to do that, maybe you'll be earning less than 5 Satoshis on the platform overall. So if there's an opportunity now that you can earn Satoshis, earn it, because just imagine if you have $100, right? Back when I was a child, whenever our grand uncle, that's my grandmother brother, used to come and visit us, he will normally give us like a $500. That is when a $500 was a lot of money, and that was in Jamaican, right? And we were supposed to share up the $500 against me and my sisters and brothers, right? And it's $500. So of course, the $500 have a cap. Once one child get $200, another child get two, another child get one, it's finished. There's no more money. So you have to choose what you're gonna do with your two. You're gonna choose what you have to do with your two, and you're gonna choose what you have to do with your one. It's the same thing. Or I think about the Bitcoin, right? There's only 21 million Bitcoin. 3 million something has been lost, right? So we hope we'll have a little. Some haven't been basically mined as yet. But right now, guys, the opportunity is there for you to get a little bit of that Bitcoin. Just like the $500. If you were there when he came, maybe you get a $200. If you were asleep, you're getting the $100, right? So that's what it is. So it's the same thing. If you're sleeping now and Bitcoin is there for you to take and you're not taking it, when you wake up, you're gonna realize that the people that were awake, they took the amount of Bitcoin that was there, and now you are left with the crumbs. So just make hay while the sun shine. Make hay while the sun shine. Just think about Bitcoin. It's a peer-to-peer transaction, right? Think about uh, Bitcoin when it comes to a billionaire or a trillionaire or a millionaire. They want to use it because they can they can send a high amount of money easily. But for us, not really us because who knows, right? But for people who like are sending a small amount of money, like I'm sending $200 or $300. In my mind, I'm thinking, it's just $20. But for a billionaire or a millionaire, they're thinking like, oh, if I'm gonna send 5 million or 6 million, if I'm doing it with Bitcoin, it's like easier, right? And there's no fee, there's no wait time, there's nothing like that. So of course, it's gonna be more important to them, right? But in a way, it should be more important to the person that's sending the $200, right? So they are the one that is buying up all of the Bitcoin. I'm gonna give you guys this story. When I realized what Bitcoin was, the asset, just the importance of it, the service, the value, everything, right? There was something saying that ever if they were dividing, there was this like article or something like say, okay, when you divide a Bitcoin against everyone, right? Then each person will get 0.003 Bitcoin, right? And and at that time, right? At that time, guys, I have way more than that, right? I have that for my whole household, and yeah, and just in case another person comes, right? I just have an extra, so I have that. So for my whole household, I have their share and I have a little share just in case another person, right? You know what I mean? And guys, when I look at these people and I realize that I'm waiting for them to take their share, they don't want it. When I talk to my friends, they're like, "Oh no, they can't be bothered with it." Because you know why? They don't understand it. And when they really, guys, when you really, really understand what Bitcoin is, you're gonna bite your fingers why you didn't get this thing. I'm telling you, because it's the same thing happened to me when I realized like, oh my, I was all by Bitcoin just to trade. Huh? I have to get those back fast. I have to get those back fast. And for me, I didn't even care the price anymore. I just want to get back all my Bitcoin that I lose. So that's what our Satoshis that I lose, right? So yeah. So I just want to share that with you guys. That's just something I really hope you guys understand. Like you guys might think I'm just putting the videos out but I'm really putting the videos out for you to understand that you can start from nothing. You can start from the ZBD app. You can start from gaming apps. You can start from get paid to sites. That's where I started. That's how I learned about a little bit more about Bitcoin, because I was using money making apps. They're offering me to cash out in Satoshis. I just said, okay, I'm gonna do it. Being that, I decided to just learn more, and that's what I was learning more, because all the time I was trading, I was just thinking, okay, maybe I can use Bitcoin as collateral to trade. That's the thing, right? So yeah. So guys, my phone has been like cutting off and on. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna leave the video for you guys here. As I've said before, if there are any question, comment down below. If you're new to my channel, guys, what I do here, I share with you guys, or you could basically earn a little on the side and line when it comes to get paid to size money making app and also investing. So yes, guys. So before I go, just wanna say, always remember, guys, never forget, keep smiling and keep shining. Bye, guys.